Hey, welcome back. All right, I got another brand new machine. This is the Babylock Evolution. It is a 8-thread serger. So we're gonna do the big unboxing. I don't know exactly where it's gonna go yet in my little room there, but you know what? We're gonna look at everything. All right. Warranty registration, instruction manual. Now this is what's really super cool. She was showing me this when I went down to buy the machine. This is your menu. Definitely something to use. It tells you what you need to do, where to push your threads, lengthwise, gives you the whole setup, all the quote-unquote ingredients, front and back. Look at all these crazy cool stitches that it can do. Isn't that awesome? All right, so we're going to learn how to do all those too as well. Okay, so there's those little trinkets and goodies. This is the thread stand. This is for one. This is chain needle 2, overlock needle 1, and the upper loop. This sits on the back side. And we've got, these are all the little extra attachments and everything. So the goodie bags. This is one set of the hooks that go up on top. Power cord and foot pedal. We'll figure out, oh, that's the plate that sits on top that the material goes across. Okay. Oh, one more bag, got this cover. All right, here we go. Woohoo, look at here. It looks like just about everything's together in here. Be real careful when you undo this bag here. And we'll get everything pulled up. All right, look at that. Shows you machine has been on. They've tested it. Here's a little extra thread. That's, you're just gonna pull those completely out and take them off. And then here's where all the intricate parts are. This is really cool because it also shows you how to thread everything here as well. This is what your menu is gonna be. It's gonna tell you what strands to put where and how to line them up, how to get them into your machine. It all looks pretty easy. She ran through it pretty well with me yesterday, so that'll be the next one.